Hi, Richa here. It will be always interesting to know about the future technology. As we know, there are so many technology already available in market, that is AI, machine learning, IoT, blockchain, etc. In this video, I am going to talk about the quantum. We have also submitted paper for similar topic, and also I have tried to divide the content of this video based on workshop. I will start with the basic intro, then I will cover why it's needed, what is about the workshop, and last how it can be implemented. So let's get into those details. It is known that the quantum is a very old concept of physics. It works based on the three principles: superposition, entanglement, and interference. MRI is a good example of the quantum concept. Nowadays, scientists are working day and night to achieve a quantum computer. It will help us to understand the complex molecular problem, crack the encryption algorithm, to solve the multiple AI problem, and also accelerate the battery usage. And there are so many possibilities will be available. So now why we need? As we know, some companies already started working on a quantum computer like IBM, Microsoft, Google, Amazon. So there are a lot of scope in the future. But yes, most important thing, we should always prepare for the future product. And also, if quantum computer will available commercially, then yes, most of company go for it. And that time, if we will not aware with the quantum, that time we will be out of the scope. So yes, start learning the quantum. So now what is about the workshop? Yes, as we know, quantum has a three principle, but how we can use that three principles separately? Attendee can learn the some points, like I will start with the basic prerequisite required for quantum, and how many resources will be available in website that will be useful to start. As this time it is a virtually, then it will be very helpful because they have their own laptop, and that time I just need to tell the software that is freely available and they can start easily. And after that I will just cover like what POC I have done in the stock market and plus other financial problems, so that will be helpful for them to understand the industrial problem. So now how it can be helpful? Yes, it will be 80 minutes workshop, but for that I will take 30 minutes for presentation and rest will be for hands-on. For that I am planning to give the virtual technical kata experience for hands-on, and also I will just give the reference for the software that will be helpful to start the algorithm. After that, attendee will be able to learn about the basic understanding of the linear algebra, how that can be useful for the quantum algorithm. They will be able to learn the existing algorithm and how they will be able to create the quantum gate using the open source resource. There is a multiple API, a strange API, QDK is available in a market. So it will be very interesting in the last. Bye.